No, that's tough. You can use that as a record button. Okay. That's tough. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm like mega fried right now, so y'all gonna have to like forgive some of the dumbness that may come out. Why is there a shopping cart in the middle of the damn? Like what the hell? What the hell, boy? What the hell? I don't know why I did it so wide. Like I turned so wide over there for no reason. Yeah, but we're just doing a quick test because I want to see how it sounds in comparison to the Mini Mic, to the Mini Mic Pro. Yeah, but y'all see the cops don't bother me on the e-bike now. That's funny. Fuck them cops. They be on some shit. They be on some shit, my boy. But yeah, we testing the mic, seeing how it sound. I need to do like minimal maintenance to the bike. Not even maintenance. I need to clean the motherfucker. Yeah, we just cruising right now. Cause like I said, we're not really doing much. I'm just trying to test it out, see how it sound during the ride. See if y'all could even hear me to begin with, since I got the damn helmet on and shit. We did get a new mount for the DJI Osmo Action 4, so that's pretty sweet. It's more like a chin strap, because the other one I had was a chin strap, excuse me, but this one is more of a an adhesive mount that's more so at the chin, which I like a little better. So we got this instead. I'm probably gonna give that other one I had away for free locally in my area. See, that's the thing about e-bikes. In my city anyway, I could go street and sidewalk, motherfucker. It's for real, my shit a class 2, so. I'm trying to go that way, but I'm about to just cut through here real quick. I'm about to go this way, because they bullshitting over there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Give that shit a little kick. Yeah, my e-bike not really that strong. I'm about to get a better one, so don't even worry about it. We about to be doing some crazy shit on that bike too. I just put it on pedal assist 5. We trying to book it, baby. We trying to book it. We're trying to book it, baby. Rah, rah, rah.